Hey guys, today I'm doing the wind part 2. And we're on our way back from Floor and Decor, which we were at right now. And we have a bunch of stuff we bought in the trunk. So yeah, see you guys in a minute when the wind gets crazy. Hey guys, we're back when the wind is crazy. We have the wind. And it's almost fully open. See right here, the window. It goes further, but it doesn't go all the way. So, but I don't want it to be supreme crazy. So, let's get this started. Boom. See this wind? Oh my god, it's so in my face. You guys hear the wind? It's so loud. Like right now. And my brother's gonna be part of the video, and he's gonna do the wind challenge also as well. Okay, start doing the wind right now. What do I do? Okay, he doesn't know how to do it, so I'll teach him later, and I'll pause the video right now. Okay, we are going to be showing my brother how to do the wind challenge, and I just explained it to him. So he's going to be doing it in a second. Okay, he's doing it. Look at his hair. Okay. Apparently right now I'm doing, oh my god, this is supreme. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, my brother's freaking out right now. It's like the wind's everywhere. It's getting my hair everywhere. Oh my god, I'm sorry if you guys can't hear us, but look at this wind. It's so, because we're outside and we're driving really fast. And I hope I do not drop my tablet outside. So, I would. Oh my god, it's super windy right now. Oh my god. Oh my god, now my tablet's getting low battery, but who cares about that? And let's get this wind part started. Boom. Okay, it's getting really windy right now. And I'm sorry if you guys can see me from this wind. This is so, oh my god. Hey, what about you? My brother really doesn't know how to look. Oh my god, I'm sticking this head out the window. Oh, you recording? Oh my god, that was so fun. I recommend you guys do this challenge, and it's totally awesome. So, the wind is crazy. So, oh my god, look at this wind. Look at the paper towels. Look at the paper towels. My brother just, oh my god. And the wind challenge is so intense. The wind is getting in my face. I mean, my hair. Oh. Oh my god. This is super great. Okay, look at our paper towels. Wait. Give me a paper towel. Okay, wait. No. Paper towel moment. Paper towel sounds like it's farting, which is really nasty. And here we go, paper towel mania. Woo! And I literally hope that wouldn't fall out of the car. And it's the wind, it's so. Look at mom's window. Right now we stopped and we're on our way to the park, and we might vlog our park trip. So we stopped right now, and there's no crazy wind, and I'll pause the video until it's crazy with the wind again. Oh my god, the wind is crazy, and it just got all over my face. Sorry if I didn't vlog that part, but this is totes cray. right now is getting crazier as my dad drives faster. Okay, it's getting crazier. Sorry if you guys can't hear me that well. It's because the wind. Oh my god, it's so loud. And this is totally windy. And we're almost at the park. So yeah. Sorry I had to park. I just asked I had to pause the video to ask is the park close? And yeah, it is real close. So we'll be there really soon. Okay.
That's so.
And right there you see a pool. It's so totally.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah,
look. It's an awesome pool right there.
Yeah, we gotta vlog one day when we come to this pool.
Yeah, we're gonna vlog one day when we come to the pool, and it's gonna be totally awesome. But the thing that sucks is my tablet doesn't go underwater, so you guys will still see me underwater. I might.
Our mom will
Maybe.
vlog us.
Our mom or our dad will vlog us.
Yeah.
We might. And it will be totally awesome. So that was my mom. I'm so sorry. And oh my god, the wind. Oh my god, I'm sorry for my mom. She's chatting like creak. And now we're back to the wind. Oh yeah. My hair is so windy. It's getting caught with the belt. And right now, I'm in the wind. Yeah. I'm in the wind. Woo! Sorry, if you heard that song. I just made that up. It's 10 minutes away. The park is about like 10 minutes away, so
We'll start vlogging when we get there. So bye guys.
we'll pause the video. We'll end the video here and we'll make part 3 of the video when we get in the park. So bye guys.